Hello everyone. I am gonna present a frequency response of Darlington amplifier using Electric Studio app along with my teammates. The overview of this video is why we are going for Darlington amplifier, what is Darlington amplifier and its circuit implementation along with the simulation using Electric Studio app, advantages, disadvantages and its application. Let's see one by one. Why we are going for Darlington amplifier since there are so many amplifier like CE, CC, CB like this. To overcome the drawbacks of these three amplifier, that is it has low input impedance and which has low current gain. So to overcome the drawback, we are going for Darlington amplifier to obtain a high current gain and a high input impedance. The Darlington pair means which means the two transistor having one of its emitter terminal is connected to the base of the other transistor and the collectors are together connected. This is the Darlington pair. The transistor has high current gain than each separately. The relation between compound and individual current gain is beta. Generally current gain is beta. In Darlington pair, two transistors are used, so beta 1 and beta 2 are multiplied and we get a total beta value which has high current gain. This is the symbolic representation of the Darlington amplifier for NPN transistor and a PNP transistor. Both are the same but the current direction is different in emitter junction. This two transistor acts together as a single transistor. This is the circuit which we going to implement using that app. In this circuit the transistors are paired. Let me explain in simulation circuit. This is the Electric Studio app in which we are going to implement the Darlington amplifier. Before that, let me explain about what are the things are available here. These are the basic tools which are available in this toolbar below. If I want a resistor, capacitor, ground and voltage source like this, if I want to connect means to rotate this, to firstly select this components and see this symbol here which is used for rotation of this component like this, and for the wire we use this pencil like symbol to connect. This is how we connect this components. And moreover, apart from this basic components, there are switchable sources also, voltmeter, ammeter, oscilloscope, switchable source, crossovers like that, and extra components are available in this place. In above toolbar, this is the settings. Whichever the component we have selected, we can modify the value and know about that component naming, etc. If this yellow color represent the component which was selected to modify, and this is the run button. After the circuit completion, we can run using this, and if we want anything to delete, then delete this icon, and we can undo and we can redo and copy. This is for copy. I want this capacitor, I want to copy this and again paste it is somewhere, and the pasted capacitor are here. This is what the circuit. This is the Darlington amplifier I have connected already. Let's know about this. As I said before, the two transistors are connected together, which one of the terminal is emitter terminal is connected to the base and another collector terminal is connected to the other transistor like this. And this is the voltage, AC voltage source, and this is the DC voltage source, in which this is the C amplifier I have connected. Why? Because in base is the input terminal and output is the collector terminal, which means emitter terminal is grounded. It implies it is the common emitter configuration. If I want a output in any such place means, if I want this transistor as a output terminal, I want to get a output in this collector terminal means just click the transistor and you can see here, see this is the voltage which we can give the output. Just click upon this, and if here if you see L symbol, then go for the modification. I have already given the output connections, so that just again click and go to the voltage, enable the plots and graph box indicator if you want, and this is the output terminal. Interested to calculate the frequency response, so that just go to the circuit property and select the analysis type as AC and start frequency as low range frequency and stop frequency as high range frequency. Just we have connected the output also. Now just run this. If you can see in blue color wave, we can observe the voltage gain. In green color wave, we can observe a current gain. As we studied in this Darlington amplifier, the current gain is very important, so that you can see here, this is voltage gain, this is the current gain. Voltage gain is very smaller compared to current gain, which has high current gain than voltage gain. This is the common emitter. If I want a common collector, means I can get the output in emitter terminal which has output voltage less than 1 and current gain is higher. This is how we can classify this Darlington amplifier configuration. That's all about the simulation of this Darlington amplifier using this Electric Studio app. Now let's know about advantages and disadvantages of Darlington amplifier. Firstly, in advantages, as usual we say current gain is high and input impedance is high, so that output impedance is decreased. As the current gain is more, the small base current is needed to pair switch on higher switching currents. The disadvantage of Darlington pair is doubling of emitter base voltage, that is emitter base voltage is doubled. And another drawback is if the collector current are same, the power is dissipated highly, and due to the increased low output level can troubles when TTL logic circuits are used. And another drawback is reduction in switching speed, because first transistor cannot actively inhibit the base current to second one, making the device slow to switch off. That is a delay is occurring while using this Darlington amplifier, and it has more phase shift at a higher frequency than a single transistor, and hence can more easily become unstable with a positive negative feedback. And applications are, it often used in the pull-push output stages of the power audio amplifier that drive most sound systems. It is used in high current circuits such as voltage regulator and computer controls. And it can be so sensitive enough even at the safe zone voltages. Thus, it can form a new input stage of a touch sensitive switch. That's all about the Darlington amplifier. I hope you can get a clear idea about this Darlington amplifier. Thank you for watching.